What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? I want to be recording with my phone. Who wants to buy a camera? You know what I'm saying? So, bro, bro, you see this? I really did that. Like, what? Bro, it wasn't even my fault. It wasn't even my fault. Bro, it was raining. It's coming around a turn, and the turn had like a hill on it. The rear end started to slide on me. And this is a 2007 Nissan Altima, if y'all didn't know. Yeah, it just lost traction, hit the median, and hit a fence. Yep. It looks bad. It looks bad. Like, all the damage is really the exterior. But it does look bad because I got the fenders messed up, headlights done. I don't know with my left headlight. You see that? And you see how the wheel is turned right a little bit? Yeah, so I was turning the wheel right. And it hit the median, and right when I hit the median, bro, my steering wheel locked up. And it just stayed just like this. It stayed just like this. And it just kept rolling. The brake wasn't working either, bro. Because probably when I hit that median, it probably did something. I don't know, it was going straight to the floor. And luckily the wheel was turned like this. Cause I probably would have hit the dude's house instead of just the fence. But yeah, you see that right there is the where the windshield wiper coolant goes. So you already know, just look at it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That joint's done. The whole bumper off. See that fender's busted. The fucking hood is trash. Busted the windshield. These windows are good. I just rolled them down because it was wet inside. But my whole left side skirt came off, bro. That girl ass over there broke. You know what I'm saying? But the rear end, but like I was saying, the rear end is still good. No damage to the rear, really. And bro, don't bid me on the body work. I was gonna get to it and whatever. But there's probably some damage behind that wheel because you can see it wasn't like this before. It wasn't slanted like this before. See how slanted it is? This side just probably flat tire, so probably just need all tires. That window's broken. This window won't roll down. That window won't roll down. Mirror's busted. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna fix this. I'm probably gonna sell it. Honestly. Because it's not that bad. The car actually starts. I forgot to tell y'all, the car starts, but it won't stay running. That's the one thing, bro. It just sounds like it's about to blow up. It sounds like it's about to blow up when you start it. I mean, after it starts, you know what I'm saying? When it cranks up perfect, starts perfect, but once it runs, oh yeah, it sounds like about to blow up. But yeah, I'm about to just dive into the joint, take stuff apart, and see what's good. Did take off the headlight. A few bulbs was saved, but that joint probably trash. I should disconnect the battery. But here's the engine. Like I said, it starts. I did recently change the valve cover gasket. And y'all see this, bro? Can anyone y'all tell me like what this is? Because this gave me a lot of problems, bro. That electrical ground, I think it's a ground. It's coming off the wires, bro. Like, joint's not bad. It's just really exterior and small stuff. Of course, the suspension is bad, but it's probably total. I say it's total. Just because of the suspension for real. And like a lot of stuff in the front's done. The radiator, I mean, this radiator might be nice. I don't know, because it kind of broke on the bottom. Might as well replace that joint, but yeah, I'm about to go in, eat, and come right back out here. And one of the mufflers in the back, imagine. But yeah, alright y'all, I'm about to just vacuum the inside. So I kind of made a decision. Probably just gonna clean it up and sell it. So, and I'm about to just buy a new car, and that's what I'm gonna be doing my car vlogs. I'm planning on doing. Hit me up if you want it. If not, it's gonna be gone. Alright, cleaned up the interior a little bit. Gotta find a way to vacuum in between there. But other than that, and I still got a vacuum in a little corner, still got up there. But can't look. Interior looks like not brand new, but doesn't look like glass is shattered everywhere. You know what I'm saying? But the rear is locked this way too, so, and the airbag's out, so. Your boy Dre, catch you on the next one.